Welcome back to Zimbabwe. We are currently at the Old Drift Lodge right on the Zambezi River. And as you can see, we're picking this up in part 2, but here's a little recap of part 1 if you missed it. I'd highly recommend going back and watch that video though. But in the first 24 hours of the Old Drift Lodge, we arrived, we settled in, we went on a riverboat cruise, which is stunning, had a great meal, and then we woke up very early today and headed out on a morning safari drive. As you can see here, it was nice, cool, and crisp. This video does not give this river justice. It is so beautiful, and to hear all of the water rushing over the rocks, you can hear the falls in the background. It's spectacular. So come along with my wife and I as we go to all 16 of the viewing stations on a walking tour of Vic Falls, hop into the sky in a helicopter, and have lunch with us at the Lookout Cafe. After a wonderful morning drive, we saw giraffes, we saw a whole herd of buffalo. We have changed, we're now headed upriver, I think it's upriver, to Vic Falls. So now we're kind of in our water guts heading out, and it's warmed up so much that we're now in shorts and t-shirts. So we're out to go see it. See you over at Vic Falls. We leave our tent, headed right to our vehicle here. How awesome is that? And we're off to Vic Falls. All right, let's hop into the safari vehicle. It's about a 5-minute ride over to the heliport, where we're gonna hop into a helicopter and go on about a 13 to 15-minute ride to see Vic Falls from the sky. Here we are at the Flight of Angels. We booked everything actually through the Old Drift Lodge. Otherwise, you could pay for your flights right here at the heliport. They're between $150 and $200 for the shorter flights. They offer groups from 1 up to 12, apparently. I don't know how you get 12 people on that helicopter. We were really fortunate. We were the only people on our helicopter ride, and Elizabeth is not a big fan of helicopters, so she was like, you by all means, Zach, you go to the front and get all your filming and whatever else. I am happy here in the back. I would highly recommend spending the $150 to $200 to do this, because you see the falls from a vantage point that is just unforgettable. Okay, we're about to go on. Victoria Falls is one of the largest waterfalls in the world, with a width of 5,604 feet. The region all around it has a high degree of biodiversity in both plants and animals, and it was named Victoria Falls by David Livingstone in 1855, naming them after Queen Victoria. I had visited the falls and done a helicopter ride several years ago, but I did it from the Zambian side, and I actually viewed the falls on foot from the Zambian side as well, and I thought that that sufficed until I came back and saw everything from Zimbabwe. The Zimbabwean views are unparalleled. As you'll see after the helicopter ride, Elizabeth and I go on foot to all 16 viewing points, and it is just spectacular. By comparison, Zambia only has 1 viewing point by foot. If you come in dry season and you are a daredevil, check out the Devil's Pool, where you can actually get in the water and look over the edge. Okay, we've seen the falls from the river, we've seen the falls from the sky, now it's time to see the falls from the gorges, the cliffs, and looking smack at them on foot. We're gonna take a guided walking tour. You can check out what Victoria Falls, the town, looks like as we head over there. It's a short little ride, but this, I was not prepared for this, because I saw it from the Zambian side, as I had mentioned. I was not prepared for how wet we're gonna get.
8 sections. Quite lovely and beautiful, less water, but from point number 9 right through to number 15. So 15 is the danger point. That section becomes really wet. That's when our raincoat comes in.
Okay.
Yes. And after the bridge, we come through the rainforest again, the entrance. If you look on the continent of Africa, you will find we have 4 huge rivers, of which Zambezi is the largest in Southern Africa, and is the 4th longest or largest river on the African continent after the Nile, the Congo, and the Niger. From about March to June, high water. November is the lowest. So you're looking at probably up to 5,000 cubic meters per second of water flowing over the waterfall at the moment.
So we're at the high water level now.
Yes.
Wow, amazing.
Translate that into liters, you're looking at over 500 million liters
Oh my.
flowing over the waterfall per minute.
Wow.
That's a lot of water.
Yes.
It's amazing.
From here, it looks like it's going to be just a nice, pleasant little walk. Might see the falls, but are the ponchos necessary? Now, as you can see, we're looking right down the falls. I didn't think these ponchos were going to be necessary. I also was very impressed already with the views. We're only at the first and second station, as you can see here. Not much mist. Very beautiful, but still not overly misty. Number 3 is where it starts to get pretty incredible from the sights. I'm gonna shut up and let you watch the rest of this because it gets intense. So this, we've got our ponchos on, because look at that. Holy schmoly, look at that. Just when you think you get one spot that can't get better, there's another location that's even better. Here's got the number 5. Misty. Good view. I know. Still getting wet. So we've just gotten to 5, and they said that these are the dry ones. So there's 14, I think, and the rest of them are a lot wetter. Number 8 was unbelievable. They're all beautiful, but number 8 was spectacular. Spectacular. Prioritize that one for sure. Spend a little time. So immediately after 8, it's super misty. Everyone puts their hoods up. It's raining everywhere. It's super fun. There's a couple people back there just wild cats and just going for it without any of it. But oh, we're out of it now. Wow. I mean, this is so fun. So fun. Look at this, into the mist. Wow. I mean, we're drenched.
It's more and more wet.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Point 10. Wetter and wetter we go. You can hardly even see it here. Oh my God! Wow, it's a storm out here! Horseshoe Falls, baby! Vic Falls! Yup, 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 yup! It's a wet one. This is the wettest so far, I would say. Wow. Oh. So now we're going to Horseshoe Falls and look. Wow. We're just like right in the middle of it. Right smack in the middle of it. It's like you're raining. It's like you're in the middle of a storm. It's unbelievable. Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow. I fell a little bit behind because I thought that somehow maybe I could get my feet drier. It was worse. It just all spilled into my feet. I mean, this is a must-do. I think it's a must-do. 16. Oh my gosh, no, 3 more. Oh wow. The bridge are gonna be absolutely soaked. Wow. Alright, this one's gonna be super soaker because you can look, like you guys can see here. Wow, this
Our guide's abandoned us.
Yeah, he's left. He's like, you guys go have fun, you crazy kooks. Wow, we're not even out to the end. My feet are sopping. I don't know how we're gonna get our shoes dry. Boy, this is when you test out whether or not your iPhone can actually survive the water. Tunnel. I'm on tunnel duty. Oh my God! We're in a storm! Wow. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, it's in my shoes! Oh my Lord, it's going straight in. Oh my gosh. Am I gonna have to dump these shoes? Where? Wow. The end of it is in my shoe. You're what? Oh my gosh, there's a whole, there's like a river going. What? I normally feel pretty coordinated. Number 15. There's so much moss and sort of like slime and the rocks are wet. I was pretty uneasy that I might just like slip off and just say goodbye forever. I mean, look how close we are. There's just that little rope. That's it. That's it. Okay, so we just finished. We're walking back over to the car. Then we're gonna go through the jungle a little bit. And then we go through the jungle and then to the car. And then we're going over to Lookout Cafe for some lunch. Some drenched lunch, but some lunch. So, come along, my babies. Here's our last one. This is our last one. Zambezi Bridge View. And it's dry, which we are not. My shoes are absolutely soaked. How fun. People go over there and bungee jump. Not me. Not me. No way. Now we are headed back to the parking lot over to Lookout Cafe where we will have lunch. So what a day. I mean, I would highly recommend doing this. And we're a little wet, but not like too bad. And this is the
Really?
yeah.
switch your brain around.
Yeah, true. And then over here, there's a little cafe, it looks like. Oh yeah, maybe a cafe and art gallery. Look at this place, my goodness. Wow. Boy, look at this place, huh? Wow. So here is one of the starters. This is a salmon miso salad. And then we also got a smoothie over here, a couple of coffees, a Coke. And look out there. My goodness, that is our view. It is just spectacular. Some zip liners, the whole works. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is the main. I did a chicken wrap. Looks wonderful. And then look at the peri-peri chicken. That looks very good as well. And then, of course, the view. How stunning. Look at that. That is just ridiculous.
Thank you for coming along with us to Vic Falls, and stick around. The next installment of this crazy trip is we fly down to Johannesburg and then we're off to Egypt to go see the pyramids. We're going to review Egypt Air on the 787. Stay at the Marriott Mina House, one of the coolest Marriotts anywhere in the world. And as always, thank you very much for watching, following along, and please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.